Good morning students. Today we are going to see the lesson fiber to fabric. Fiber means a thread-like piece of cotton is called fiber. Fabric means a complete cloth material is called fabric. Okay, where do we get this fabric? We get this fabric from wool and silk. Wool where do we get? We get from the animals like sheep, goat, yak and from other animals also. Okay, and there are 4 stages in processing of fibers into wool. Okay, what are the stages means? Shearing a sheep, scoring in tanks, scoring by machines, rolling into yarn. First we will see what is mean by shearing. Shearing means we are cutting off the hair from the sheep is called shearing. Likewise our father cutting his hair in a barber shop, no? Same wise a procedure done in the sheep is called shearing a sheep. After the cutting the hair, what they will do means they will soar. Soaring means the hair is put into the tanks and washing. Why this washing is done? Because there may be some dirt or dust present on it. To remove that, this process is done. That is, removing of dirt and dust in the hair of the sheep is called scoring in tanks. Next, scoring by machines. Nowadays the same step is done by the machines. At the last, rolling into yarn. The longer wools are converted for the sweaters and the shorter wools from the yarn is converted for clothing material weaving. Okay, 4 stages are followed for processing of fibers into the wool. Main are shearing, scoring and rolling. Scoring alone 2 steps followed. Next we will see the life history of silk moth. Silk moth are of 2 types. One is female and another one is male. From the male and female we get the eggs only from the female. It hatches on 100 to 200 at a time and it eats the mulberry leaves. Okay, this is the cocoon. Cocoon means the eggs are covered by the outer layer is called cocoon and this cocoon is developed along with the moth, that is silk moth. Finally we get the silkworm. Okay, what the farmers will do means they will get this eggs for the amount and they will make it to grow by eating the mulberry leaves for 25 to 30 days. After 30 days it goes to the bamboo trays and on the bamboo trays along with the cocoons it develops. After developing we get it as a silk. From this silkworm we get as a silk. That is the process of making a egg to develop is called caterpillar or silkworm. From this only we are getting the type of silk cloth. For example, silk saree, silk shirt. You can ask your mother, she may be having the silk saree. You go and touch it, that one. It is very soft and lustrous. Okay students, from this lesson we come to know that from the wool of sheep, goat or from the silk moth we are getting 2 type of cloths. They are wool type of cloth and silk cloth. And we are getting the wool type of cloth by making the 4-step process and from the silk moth only we are getting the silk type of cloth. Okay students, you will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 7th Science NAPS group. Timing from 6 PM to 8 PM. Thank you.